Being part of construction means that you're working on projects that change communities, shape skylines, and you can be a part of meaningful projects that affect all of our lives. There's so many opportunities within this industry that each of you have access to.
I'm here from Nashoba Tech at WL French, and we're learning about the machines and everything that they do here.
Monday, I think that learning about all the trucks and the machines though is helpful for job sites future.
I'm here looking at all the career opportunities and all the awesome things that they have to offer here at WL French. Thinking how much I just really enjoy working on cars, and I really want to work on something like this when I'm older.
I teach at Madison Park in the Building and Property Maintenance or Facilities Department. So WL French reached out and said they were having a career fair today. We went to one of their job sites last year and had a blast. So when they reached out to see if we'd come up, it was a no-brainer to get here. WL French really, has a good time with it, and you can see that they're really passionate, and it trickles down to the kids and they see it too. A lot of them don't know what's out in front of them, what they can do, and this is just a chance for them to see different career paths that maybe they would want to do.
This is like a new experience. I've never been here, So me just seeing all this and having these people talk to me about different type of things, this is it's interesting to me. And hopefully I can learn a little bit more about what people do, and hopefully I can do this one day, when I come out of high school.